Ever pondered about the real importance of a good night's sleep? It's a curious subject, shrouded in intrigue, often brushed aside in our bustling lives. Yet it's a fundamental element of our daily routine. Well, sleep is indeed far more significant than most of us realize. Sleep, as it turns out, plays an essential role in our overall health and well-being. It's the key that unlocks our mood, energy levels, and even impacts our weight. Can you imagine a life without sleep? The risks are colossal. A weakened immune system, an increased risk for chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes, and mental health disorders are just a few. It's clear that the world of slumber is much more than just a night's rest. Evidently, sleep is not just about rest, it's about restoration. However, a good night's sleep can sometimes be elusive due to various sleep disorders. Insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome are common culprits, often compromising sleep quality and overall health. But fear not, there are ways to combat these sleep thieves. Improving sleep hygiene can be a game changer for your sleep health. Start by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. It allows your body to establish a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Creating a restful environment is also key. Ensure your room is dark, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Limit daytime naps, especially in the late afternoon. Last but not least, avoid stimulants like caffeine and nicotine close to bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep significantly. Remember, a small change can make a big difference. In conclusion, sleep health is a vital piece of the health puzzle. We've explored its significance, spotlighted common sleep disorders, and shared valuable tips for better sleep hygiene. Remember, prioritizing quality sleep is a commitment to overall well-being. It's about taking control of your night to energize your day. From understanding its importance to tackling sleep disorders and improving sleep hygiene, each step brings you closer to a healthier life. Good sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Invest in your sleep, invest in your health. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.